So, should you run a front and rear sway bar? That is the question. On this video, you'll see if it's worth it. Alright, so we're in my GoPro. As far as normal driving, you're not going to experience a change. You're not like going to be like, oh, I can tell I have a sway bar, like if you're running a car with a traditional power steering pump. Since these are electronic steering, you're not going to feel a change in the drive. I'll give you guys an example of how it acts with with an uneven road. If this is an uneven road, it feels stable. It doesn't feel bad at all. It feels pretty controlled. Like I said, my hands not really all over the place, getting bump steer. I'm not really fighting the truck. So off the bat, if you have stock suspension, you're gonna feel an increase in handling. Going 65 miles an hour, I'll go a little bit faster. Right off the bat, you're gonna notice this is speaking in behalf of having the front and rear sway bar. The truck feels nice and planted, feels good. The swaying is pretty much eliminated. Yeah, it's still gonna have a floatiness because, like I said, I'm running the stock shocks in the front. There's a stretch right here where once you go underneath this bridge, it's pretty bouncy and it's uneven. So we're gonna go through it right now. So this is a bumpy part. Perfect, like nothing. All right, so here we are. I'm going 62 miles an hour. I'm gonna speed it up. This turn right here, 64, 65 miles an hour. Handles good. I'm at 70 right now. Like, handles good. Like I said, I don't trust these tires, but in stock form, without the sway bars, I wouldn't even think about doing that turn. I have my truck on sport mode. For those of you wondering, I have a Passani muffler. Truck is bone stock, engine wise, no tune, no nothing. So here we are, gonna go on a turn. I'm gonna speed it up. 70, 75, like nothing. Gonna hit a couple turns. Going 60, 65, 70 miles an hour right now. Handling like nothing. Look at that. Considering this truck I don't like the shocks that I'm running in the rear or in stock shocks, but look at this. 67 miles an hour took that turn. I'm going 75 right now. In stock form, I would not be driving this fast at all. 70. So I want to show you guys my setup. This is my truck. I got the sway bars used from the same guy. I paid $400 for them. So check it out. This is my sway bar. He painted it gold. Yeah, fuck it, I left it gold. The back one, I ended up painting black. So I do have IC helper bags in the rear, Beltec Street Performance shocks. As far as the front, I'll show you. So the front is stock coil, stock shock. Like I said, just a sway bar. And you can see these tires aren't the best. I got these rims used. I paid $700 when I got my truck, brand new rims and tires. So tires aren't the best. So this is my current setup. Suspension's a way to go. So I highly recommend you guys getting front and rear sway bars, upgrading them on your trucks. It definitely does make a difference. So hope you like the video, and you know, if you have any questions, just shoot me a comment, like the video, subscribe. Peace out.